Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can add a code in Framer. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, log into your Framer account, and once logged in, click on the project that you want to work on. From here, we're going to go to the top left and we're going to click on this icon right here and we're going to search for code block. Click on it. Now, this is where we're going to paste the code that we want to use. So select it, and as you can see, you can even choose what language you want to use, and the code that you would paste would be put right here. And these are the other options that you can use to optimize it and customize it. And that's it. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!